So we've got a curve here, y equals x squared plus 2x minus 1, and we're going to find the equation of the normal to the tangent to the curve, x equals 2. So let's go in here to x equals 2, and we'll start just thinking about the tangent is going to go like that, roughly, and then the normal is going to come off at 90 degrees from there. So the normal is going to come across like that, and that's going to be 90 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the gradient of the tangent first of all, and we're then going to make that gradient minus 1 over the gradient. So we're going to start off with taking my dy by dx. So I'm just going to differentiate the curve up here, which is 2x plus 2. I'm going to make x equal to 2 because that's the point here. So x equals 2. Let's put that in a bit neater. X equals 2. So dy by dx, which is the gradient of the tangent, will be 2 times 2 plus 2, which is 6. Now, our gradient, the normal, is always minus 1 over m, where m is the gradient here. So our gradient is minus a sixth. Now I'm going to start putting together my line equation. Y equals minus 1/6 of x plus c. Now I need some coordinates. Now I'm going to make x 2 because that's the point I'm at. When x is 2, if we put it back into this equation here, so we're making x equal to 2, then y will be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 4, which is 8, take away 1, which is 7. And we can see that this one here roughly is 2, 7. Now we're able to say that this is 7. This is minus 2 over 6, or a third. Let's rewrite that as minus a third. And if we do a little bit of working out there, we can see that c is actually 22 over 3. So we've got the answer to A as y equals negative 1/6 of x plus 22 over 3. Now I'm not going to do too much work for the second part. I just want to know where this line meets the curve again. So it's at this point here, and that's obviously not to scale. So all I need to do is to take my equation of the line, which was minus 1/6 of x plus 22 over 3, and make it equal to the curve that I started with, which was x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now, if I graph that on my graphic calculator, I'm going to get my two answers. And I'm just going to do that now. So it's going to take me 1 minute, but if I can have that in as x squared plus 2x minus 1 and negative 1/6 of x plus 22 divided by 3. If I draw that there and I look for the two intersection points, the second one I've already got, and the first one is at minus 4 and 0.16, so that's a sixth, and the other one is at 8.027. So that one's quite easy to do with a graphic calculator.